To enroll Apple devices into Mirador, click on Enroll Device, select iOS, macOS, and select the email address of the intended device user. In this instance, we want to do the enrollment by SMS. Select Send Enrollment Invitation and wait for the device to receive an SMS. Open the SMS and click on the link. Select Allow and click on Close. Next, open Settings, select Profile Downloaded, and follow the steps to install the profile. The profile has now been installed successfully. Soon the device can be seen in Mirador. Click on Show Device and you'll be directed to the device view. Should you happen to have Apple devices already in use, you can utilize self-service enrollment to have your device users complete the enrollment into Mirador. You can learn more about self-service enrollment from the QR code below. If you're planning to enroll a large quantity of devices, or if you need the advanced set of features that are only available in supervised mode, we recommend that you activate Apple's Automated Device Enrollment Program, which is part of Apple Business Manager. Find out more at the QR code below.